The way he navigates the market, the way he understands copywriting, the way he understands the power of words, and the way he plays that magic, it's completely surreal. The use cases that Anthony has built for us are being used by multiple of our customers in the e-commerce and the education space, and undoubtedly they have been getting amazing results in both of these sectors. Hey, hi everyone, this is Gautam, the founder and CEO of AI Sensei. So we are a SaaS-based platform for businesses to actually grow their business using WhatsApp. So in the very initial days of starting up, we actually met Anthony Chaco, and Anthony since then has been with us, helping us out, navigating the market and guiding us the way through new use cases, new case studies and new opportunities. When we met Anthony, we were actually looking for someone who can actually find out some good new use cases which can help our customers drive revenues, be it in the e-commerce sector or be it in the education sector. And the one thing that I really like about Anthony is the way he navigates the market, the way he understands copywriting, the way he understands the power of words, and the way he plays that magic, it's completely surreal. So we had quite regular sessions with him, and in which he by and by helped us navigate through the market, build specific use cases. Even he helped some of his own clients get those revenues, reach those targets, and boost sales within a matter of minutes. The use cases that Anthony has built for us are being used by multiple of our customers in the e-commerce and the education space, and undoubtedly they have been getting amazing results in both of these sectors. Specifically, if you might have heard about that abandoned cart recovery on WhatsApp, initially we designed that with Anthony. Apart from that, also the feedback recovery loop was designed with us and Anthony together, and Anthony has been a definite champion because he understood how you can actually boost sales for e-commerce using a feedback accompanied by an offer loop on WhatsApp. And that was a game changer basically for us, and has helped a lot of our clients to gain revenues, gain sales. And this level of insight that Anthony brings is specifically what defines him and what defines the consulting that he provides. And that is why I would really suggest, if you're looking for to learn copywriting, to learn digital marketing, to even navigate consulting for your own career, I would definitely recommend Anthony Chaco, because he has those deep, unique insights about the market, about the industry, which rarely people do have actually. Thanks a lot.